Do you get annoyed when eggplant turns brown just a few minutes after you cut it? You are not alone. It can also taste bitter, lose its texture, or be difficult to peel once it is roasted. The good news is that all of these problems have simple solutions. In this video, I will share a few easy tricks to keep eggplant fresh, flavorful, and effortless to cook with, so you can enjoy making it instead of struggling with it. Let's start with the very first step, removing the bitterness from eggplant. Before we begin, make sure to rinse the eggplant thoroughly under running water. And while you are here, let me ask, where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below so we can connect. After rinsing, pat the eggplant dry with a clean towel. Now, before slicing, prepare a large bowl that can hold all the eggplant you plan to use. Fill the bowl with about 1 liter of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir until it fully dissolves. This simple saltwater bath is the key to drawing out that strong, bitter flavor many people dislike in eggplant. Next, cut off the stem end of the eggplant. Depending on the dish you want to prepare, slice the eggplant into round pieces or into medium-sized chunks. Eggplant is not only versatile, but also surprisingly nutritious. It is low in calories, yet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that support heart health and digestion. Including it in your meals can be a delicious way to add variety and nutrients to your diet. Now place the cut pieces into the saltwater solution. Make sure the eggplant is fully submerged. If some slices float to the top, you can place a small plate over them to keep them down. Leave the eggplant in the salt water for about 15 minutes. During this time, the bitterness will be reduced and the texture will improve, making it easier to cook evenly. After soaking, take the eggplant out of the bowl and give it a quick rinse under clean water to remove any excess salt. Then let the pieces drain well, or pat them dry gently, before moving on to your favorite recipe. With this step done, your eggplant is ready to shine in any dish you choose to prepare. Now let's move on to roasting eggplant so you can peel it easily and enjoy that soft, sweet flesh inside. The first thing you want to do is choose a fresh eggplant. Look for one with smooth, shiny skin that feels firm to the touch, and check that the stem is still green. A fresh eggplant will always give you the best flavor and texture. Once you have your eggplant, take a fork or a small sharp knife and poke a few little holes all over the skin. This step is important because it allows steam to escape while the eggplant roasts. Without these holes, the skin can sometimes split or burst open, and we want to avoid that. Next, preheat your air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius and let it heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Preheating makes sure the eggplant cooks evenly from the start. After that, place the eggplant directly into the basket of the air fryer. Roast at the same temperature at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. The exact time will depend on the size of your eggplant. By the way, I am curious, how do you usually peel eggplant after roasting? Share your method in the comments because I would love to know how you do it at home. Halfway through the cooking time, open the air fryer and carefully turn the eggplant over so it roasts evenly on all sides. You will know it is ready when the eggplant feels soft when pressed and the skin looks slightly charred. At that point, take it out and let it cool for a few minutes until it is comfortable to handle. Here is a simple trick that makes peeling much easier. Place the roasted eggplant into a bowl and cover it tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Leave it covered for about 3 to 5 minutes. The steam that builds up inside will loosen the skin, and you will be able to peel it off almost effortlessly. Remove the charred skin and you will be left with the tender, flavorful flesh inside. This soft roasted eggplant is naturally sweet, free from bitterness, and ready to be used in so many delicious dishes. You can make classic Vietnamese grilled eggplant with scallion oil, or go for a Mediterranean favorite like baba ganoush, or even toss it into a refreshing salad. Roasting eggplant this way gives you a silky texture and rich flavor that pairs beautifully with different seasonings and cuisines. It is a simple method, but it completely transforms the vegetable into something special. Have you ever noticed how eggplant turns dark and unappealing soon after you cut it? If that has happened to you, try this simple method to keep the slices looking fresh and appetizing. Start by preparing a clean bowl of water. Take 1 fresh lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze out the juice from 1/2 and measure about 2 small spoonfuls of the lemon juice into the bowl of water. Give it a gentle stir so the lemon juice blends evenly with the water. This solution will act as a natural shield against discoloration. Now it is time to cut the eggplant. You can slice it into rounds, into sticks, or even into cubes depending on the dish you want to prepare. The important thing is to place the pieces into the lemon water immediately after cutting. Make sure the eggplant is fully submerged. If the slices float to the top, place a small plate on top to press them down so that every piece stays under the water. Let the eggplant soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, the lemon water prevents the flesh from turning brown and keeps the vegetable looking bright and appealing. Lemon juice works because it is rich in natural acids that slow down the process of oxidation, which is what causes that dark color in the first place. After soaking, take the eggplant pieces out of the bowl and give them a quick rinse under clean water. Now they are ready to cook. With this method, your eggplant will stay fresh looking for 30 to 45 minutes at room temperature without turning dark. This gives you plenty of time to prepare the rest of your ingredients or heat up your cooking equipment without worrying about the eggplant losing its color. However, keep in mind that even with this trick, you should not leave cut eggplant exposed to air for too long. Once the flesh comes into contact with oxygen, the natural browning process will eventually begin. Leaving it out too long not only affects the appearance, but can also reduce the flavor of your dish. So the next time you want to keep eggplant looking fresh, remember the lemon water bath. It is a quick, natural, and very effective way to preserve both the look and the taste of this wonderful vegetable. Before we wrap up today's video, let's take a quick look at the nutrition and health benefits of eggplant. This vegetable is very low in calories, yet high in fiber, which makes it a great choice if you are watching your weight or want to support healthy digestion. Eggplant also contains antioxidants such as niacin, found in its purple skin, that help protect your cells from damage. It provides important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate, all of which contribute to overall wellness. Eating eggplant regularly may support heart health, help regulate blood sugar, and add variety to a balanced diet. So the next time you cook with eggplant, you are not only making a delicious dish, but also giving your body a real boost of nutrition. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Now you know how to remove bitterness, keep eggplant from turning brown, roast it for easy peeling, and even the health benefits it offers. I hope these tips make your cooking a little easier and inspire you to try eggplant in new ways. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves cooking. And do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss more kitchen tips and recipes coming soon. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.